Hey guys, it is almost Christmas time, which means more desserts for you. So, what we have today is two different pies. Just kidding. We're doing cookies this time. So, right here we have the maple macadamia nut cookies. So, you can't see the macadamia nuts, but they're in there. And then here we have chocolate fudge cookies, and they're sprinkled a little bit with erythritol. So they're really straightforward cookies. They're opposites, but they're both just as delicious. So you're gonna wanna make both and bring them to all the parties you go to. So let's get to cooking. So you guys just saw me throw together the cookies, put them in the oven. So the biggest difference aside from the taste, these ones have, the macadamia ones have a maple tinge, and then these ones taste like hot cocoa to me. That's what I love about them the most. And I am biased towards them. But the chocolate fudge ones, they're more cake-like, but they're still pretty dense and delicious. And then these ones are more of your traditional crispy cookie, and you have the nuts inside, so that gives it that extra crunch. So let me take a bite of each for you, because I'm ready to dig in too. They almost look like the top of whoopie pies. You guys know what those are? And then I'm gonna pull out the one Matthew was eating. Let's see if I can get some nut in there. So you saw that I cut my nuts up pretty big because I like the crunch, but you can do whatever size you want. You can even change up the nuts. Macadamia nuts are a little pricey, but we decided to splurge, so you can get almonds, walnuts, pecans, whatever you want. And then with the chocolate fudge ones, you can top them with a nice low carb icing, or you can sprinkle with confectioner sugar. There's a lot of varieties you can go, but these are the bases of two really delicious Christmas cookies. So let's try this one. So very different. I put a little bit of maple syrup, you saw, so you can even omit it if you don't get it in Canada. But it pulls through such a nice maple flavor. So I highly recommend it if you can. So these are two new products in our house, and we've been experimenting with them. I love this. This is amazing. It's the Truvia brown sugar blend, and I've actually made snickerdoodle cookies with these, and they turned out great. And the good thing about this is that although it's double the price, you only have to use 50% as much, because it's double as sweet as erythritol or normal sugar. And then this is the Swerve confectioner sugar. We've always wanted to play around with this, and we noticed that it is slightly different than a normal confectioner, because if you coat something in it that's warm, it'll melt in immediately. It won't leave a lasting confectioner sugar look. Those are the two new products we've been messing around with, and they're both really great. I highly recommend them. We got them at Whole Foods. So those are two Christmas cookies for you guys. So go out, make them, cover them in snowmen. You can cut them out with cookie shapes, and you can add different nuts and flavors to them. So let me know how they turn out. See you guys soon.